Did you know that black women were more likely to stand up to their masters than men were? It's statistically proven that black women actually were the ones who stood up to their masters more than any other person. And come to find out that from 1681 to 1865, over 200 black women were executed for the simple fact of either conspiring, attempted, and or murder itself. And that there's an actual unrecorded amount that actually went undocumented because they got away with it. Yes. So all this time, as they tell you all this sad information about, oh, we just let it happen and we just moved around, black women were making sure we got it done. Be proud to be a black woman every single day, honey, because every single day that you wake up, you are coming with a shield and 1,000 women behind you, beloved. That is something to really rejoice about. Now, granted, yes, unfortunately, they did die. You understand? We did lose those 200. But the ones that got away, the ones who got they lick, thank you, baby.